So hey guys, welcome back once again, and in this video I'm just doing a small fun experiment with my own pic. As you can see, this is me that I'm using my own pic, not an AI generated pic. Basically what I'm doing is that I'm trying to upscale my own pics with the 4x Ultrasharp upscaler. Let me tell you guys, Olivio has already made a video about this upscaler 4x Ultrasharp upscaler, a detailed video about a workflow he has already made. So I was just curious in order to use this on my own image, and if you want to download this upscaler, then go on to this link. The link will be already in the description or in the comment section below. Just download this link and let me tell you where to post this upscaler. Just go on to your Stable Diffusion directory. As you can see, I am already on my Stable Diffusion directory. Go on to the model, and on models you can paste onto ESRGun. I have already pasted on ESRGun folder, you can see, for Ultrasharp. That's the only thing that you need to do, and run your Stable Diffusion Automatic1111. So basically what I did was that I downscale this image to 512 by 736 and upscale it 3 times by 2 multiplier. You can see I just multiplied it by 2 3 times, and here are the result. As you can see, on this is a second result, that is 1024 by 1536, a simple 2x result, and in this is a second time result in which I did a second time multiplier, that is 2048 by 3072. You can definitely see that's the resolution, and 7.98 MB of an image. And on last you can definitely see this is a 29.8 MB 4096 by 6144 resolution image. So that's the thing that I did, and I will compare it with the original image as well and a downscale image as well. So let's get started with the comparison, guys. So guys, here we are with our result, and on the left hand side, extreme left hand side, this image is basically a downscale image. This is a 512 by 768 downscale image. So you can see the result over here. This is a very pixelized image, definitely not that great result. But this over here, this is the original image, the middle section, this image, this is the original image that I clicked with my phone, and this is with a selfie camera. See this clearly, okay? And this is basically a 4x result, the second last result, and this is the last result, okay? This on here is the 4x result, and this is basically the last result, the third result that I said, the last result, 4096 by 6144. So basically these are the result, and if I show you the comparison on the extreme left, this result, you can definitely see there are pixels going on over here. And if I zoom on to my original image, this is an original selfie camera image, you can definitely see this is the result that I got with the original selfie camera of the phone. And yeah, look at this now. Like, this is just a fun. If you have tried with the original pic, with non-AI generated pic, then do let me know in the comment section below, because I just love this. Look at this, guys, okay? I just love this. If I zoom on to this image, and if I zoom on to this image, basically this is, I think so, a detailed image, not that great image, but yeah, I was just having fun with this. And on my face you can definitely see, let me show you, that's the result that I got with the face on the mustache. You can definitely see that's the result that I got. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think about this? I was just having fun, and I was just curious about this thing. If I show you the beard, you can definitely see the beard. See, this is the result that I got. Pretty interesting result. Like, the lips are definitely smooth compared to like original image. I can definitely say this are smooth than this image. So that was the thing that I got. But yeah, on 8x, like this result, the final result, I definitely got amazing result. Let's go on to the result. Let's zoom on to the eyes first of all. This is the eyes, and look at this now, guys. Oh my god, look at this detail. I don't know what to say, but what do you guys think about this? The reflection of something on from window, definitely amazing result, right? I just love the lips as well. I don't know what I am doing. I'm just trying to have fun. I just wanted to test a non-AI generated image on the upscaler. Have you ever tried this? Then if you ever tried it, then do let me know in the comment section below, because see the lips over here, yeah, definitely the not, I can say it's still not that perfect, but yeah, the result are pretty amazing. On the upscaled version, the result are pretty amazing, right? So yeah, I just love. See this over here, this is basically the window of the train. I'm just peeping out of my window, and if I show you this, say this, and let's have a look onto this. Okay, this is the original image. Definitely the result are pretty amazing. See, I think so this is messed over here something. But what do you think guys about this? I was just trying to have fun. As I already said, I was just trying to have fun with a non-AI generated image. So that's the thing that I got. It was totally fun to experiment with this thing. I don't know what to tell, but if I go on to the t-shirt as well, let's go on to the t-shirt. Still the like details are maintained. This is totally like something smooth going on over here. The details are missing from the original image over here. Overall the image is great. I can definitely say that overall the image is great, amazing. So that's the thing that I want to talk about, and it was totally fun. I just want to make a fun video out of this. That's the only thing that I wanted to talk about. So if you have already tried up with the original image or somewhat like non-AI generated image, then do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this guys. So that's the only thing that I wanted to talk about, and yes, I will be back with more and more videos tomorrow. Till then, have a good day. Bye guys, love you all guys. Bye guys.